Hey guys, today we're going to do a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A26. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A26 and now you want to make a first time setup of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. For this you will get this type screen on your phone. Here you have to select your language to start up. Just select language from here which you want. As I've selected, just select OK here, then select start, and after that you will get this type screen. For your review you have to agree to these terms and policies, which is end user license agreement, privacy policy, and sending of diagnostic data. You just have to agree to them all and then select agree and go to next step, which is easy setup with another device. If you're using any other device, it might be a Samsung or Android or any iPhone, so you can easily make a setup by using that phone. But if you won't have the phone, you can easily set up manually. I'm going to set up manually. Just tap on it, and here you just have to connect to your internet. It might be Wi-Fi. Just select your Wi-Fi connection, and here you just have to enter your password. Just enter password, then select connect, and after connecting to the internet you will get a next button here. Just select it, and then you'll get this type screen which is getting your phone ready, but it may take a few minutes. In this step you just have to wait for 2 or 3 minutes. It will get your phone ready, so just wait for its loading. After it's loading we just have to do a setup of your phone, so just wait for it. It is almost done. And after that you will get this type setup. You can easily copy your apps and data with your old phone. Here you can see that copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google accounts, and more. If you have any other old phones you can easily select next, but I'm going to select don't copy. Just select it, and here you will get this type interface. It is checking info, and after that we just have to set up our Google account. If you have any Google account, you can easily log in here. But if you won't have any Google account, just tap on create account to create one. But I'm going to skip this. Just select skip, then skip here. And here you can easily protect your phone with your face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, pin, or password. You can easily create ones here which you want. I'm going to skip this. Just select skip, and then here your Google services, just accept them, and after that you will get this type interface which is getting your phone ready. And here your Samsung account. If you have any Samsung account you can easily log in your account via your email, phone number, or QR code. But I'm going to select forgot password or not have any account because I don't have any account. And here you can easily create your account, but I'm going to set up it later in settings. Just select this one and skip this method, and here you just have to accept something service legal information. Just select terms and conditions, and these are turn on customization service on this phone, and here's the get news and special offers on this phone, and here's the improve personalized ad based on data from this phone. Just select them all, then select agree, and here just select agree, and here you just have to select your display mode which you want. It's the light mode and the dark mode, and I'm going to select the light. Just select it, then next, and this is done. You just have to wait until your home screen will come in because you have all set up done. You can see you are all set up. Now select home to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of your Samsung Galaxy A26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.